Oregano. So here's our fresh sprig. Make sure the leaves aren't bruised and that it smells aromatic and fresh. To remove the leaves, simply pinch the top of the stem and drag your fingers downwards. And you could simply pick off anything that remains. We'll then bundle them up and cut very fine. You can now add this to marinades, pastas, pestos, dressings, and much more. One thing about oregano is that it has a really punchy flavor to it. It's not quiet nor subtle, so use sparingly in order to not overpower a dish. And that is how you use oregano.